Don't miss seeing this fantastic townhome nestled between Buckhead and Midtown by Atlanta's popular Beltline Path. Gleaming refinished hardwood floors on main, all stainless steel appliances. Upgraded features also. 1 bath west/dual head tile glass shower and jetted soaking tub/shower in the other. Largest floor plan in the community. 1 car attached garage west/storage areas and room for an additional vehicle in the driveway. Community features tennis and dog run area. Walk to restaurants or drive minutes to I-85, GA 400 Access Road, I-75, Atlantic Station, Piedmont Hospital, or West Midtown.